What if I told you that there's an investment opportunity designed to unlock potential where others see obstacles? Introducing the new Special Credit Opportunities Fund 2, your gateway to exclusive credit investments with high impact returns. Hi everyone and welcome to Centrishala. My name is Anjali and today we'll be talking about new Special Credit Opportunities Fund 2. In today's dynamic market, businesses often struggle with access to capital. Traditional funding channels can be rigid, slow, and sometimes unavailable. That's where new Special Credit Opportunities Fund 2 comes in. The fund represents a compelling opportunity for clients to participate in fully secured, high-yield, cash flow-backed investments targeting an annual return of 22% to 24%. Now let's talk about their fund details. First, the fund will invest in largely EBITDA-positive companies and provide flexible and patient credit capital to companies and promoters to help solve a special situation and create a win-win for them. Second, this fund is a 6.5-year closed-ended fund providing credit capital to promoters and companies to solve special situations like working capital financing, growth capital, refinancing, acquisition financing, loan against shares where the borrowing company or promoter does not have the access to traditional sources of finance like banks and NBFCs, and hence this is the opportunity for asset managers. Third, the new Special Credit Fund 2 also targets to deliver indicative gross returns of approximately 22 to 24% per annum to customers through a pool of approximately 20 to 35 diversified investments in the fund. Fourth, the current pipeline is over approx 930 crores across sectors. Now let's talk about the investment criteria. Before any investment, the company must meet criteria of positive EBITDA at least 2x collateral and positive cash flows. The team will also do a thorough due diligence before any investment, which includes first, promoter due diligence or counterparty check, second, technical due diligence on the plant and machinery, third, legal due diligence, fourth, financial due diligence to access the cash flows of the company. The fund will lend to approximately 25 to 30 companies with investment size ranging between 150 to 200 crores without any sector concentration. No early stage real estate lending or lending for buying land will be done by the fund. Additionally, there will be regular coupon payouts, there will be escrow control over cash flows and a sole senior lender position. Lastly, it will also provide significant asset class diversification. This is the second Special Situations Fund by New Asset Management. The flagship Special Situation Credit Fund, which is the new Special Credit Opportunities Fund 1, closed successfully with commitments of 2,272 crores, overshooting its target size of 2,000 crores. Now, if we compare New Special Credit Opportunities Fund 2 with New Special Credit Opportunities Fund 1, the target IRR in Fund 2 is 22 to 24% per annum, whereas in 1, it is approximately 23% per annum. The fund size is 5,000 crores in Fund 2 and 2,272 crores raised in Fund 1. The target quarterly distributions in Fund 2 and Fund 1 are same with approximately 4.5% per annum. The number of deals in Fund 2 is approximately 25 to 30 and in Fund 1, 19 deals are done. If we talk about the number of distributions made, so there are 5 distributions made in Fund 1 and there are 3 exits in Fund 1. Gross deployment in Fund 1 is approximately 1,877 crores and both are 100% secured. Now let's talk about some examples of portfolio companies or deals. A promoter is developing a new hotel project with a total cost of 100 crore. They have already invested 70 crore in equity but require an additional 30 crore. Because construction is still incomplete, traditional banks are unwilling to lend. By providing 30 crore of credit and a 20% annual interest rate, the project can be completed and made operational, generating a 15% annual return. Here, the promoter's outcome net 9 crore each year, in which 15 crore return minus 6 crore interest. The lender outcomes earn 20% interest on 30 crore loans secured by the promoter's existing 70 crore equity. As you can see, each of these industry veterans have scaled up businesses with significant capital and large team for decades. This fund will be managed by Mr. Puneet Jain, who is the co-founder and CIO of Special Situation Equities, and Mr. Ruben Cheda, Managing Director, Special Situations Direct Lending. So, invest smart and grow strong with Neo Fund. Well, this was all about New Special Credit Opportunities Fund 2. We hope you like this video. Thank you.